Take a ride in the 2025 Bronco. Ford Bronco. Interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, trip computer, compass, clock, day-night rear view mirror, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, perimeter alarm. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.